Guys, I was really craving taquitos today for lunch, so that's what we're gonna do. Grab some tortillas. I like these small ones, by the way. Place them in the microwave for 30 seconds to get soft, and then in a bowl, add some rotisserie chicken, salsa verde, Greek yogurt, some taco seasoning, a little bit of cheese, some cilantro, and the juice from 1 lime. Give it a good toss, and this is gonna be the mixture for the taquitos. Lay out your tortillas, and then place a little bit of the mixture on each one, and then the fun part. We roll them up into cute little mini taquitos. Spray your air fryer tray with a little bit of oil, add your taquitos, spray it with a little more oil, and set it to 390 degrees for 7 minutes. When they're done, you got crispy, crunchy, healthy taquitos.
Please like, comment, and share, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you see more videos as they come out.